There are rumors of a road in Middle Tennessee, way out in the country, steeper than East Hillview Drive. I needed to check this out for my students, just to make sure that my stats were accurate. Oh my gosh!
Mathematics.
It's simple mathematics.
Mathematics.
It's simple mathematics.
Mathematics.
It's simple mathematics.
Mathematics.
It's simple mathematics.
I am heading down I-24 East, leaving Nashville, going through Antioch right now, and we are headed out to rural Cannon County, which is an hour and a half outside of Nashville. Why? Why would I go to Cannon County? Because I posted that video, that bonus video, on how to calculate the steepness of your own street, and thankfully a lot of Integrated 3 students, you watched it, thank you. I also posed a challenge. If anybody out there can find a steeper road than East Hillview Drive in Brentwood, let me know. Because if there's a steeper one in Middle Tennessee, I need to put it in my stats. Well, guess what? It was not an Integrated 3 student. I had bets on which one of you would try to find a steeper road, but it was a calculus student. Aussie Green happened to watch the video, did his own calculations, and guess what? He found not one, but two roads right next to each other, way out in the country, that might actually be steeper than East Hillview Drive. So we're gonna go take a look right now. As I made my way to Cannon County, the terrain began to change, from flat to mountainous. This was a good sign. The pavement eventually ended, giving way to a poorly maintained gravel surface. Well, this is the middle of nowhere, that's for sure. So here we are at the corner of, this is Gunter Hollow Road back here, and then back behind me is a private Bible camp, and then back up this way is Fire Tower Road. So Fire Tower Road's number 2, Gunter Hollow Road's number 1. And neither one of these roads is marked either. It's really peaceful out here though. Listen to the birds. Man, it's quiet out here. It's actually colder because we're at a high elevation here. So it's like 65 degrees right now in Nashville, and it feels like 55 out here. Like, it's really cool because we're way high up. We're actually 700 feet above the tip of the tallest building in downtown Nashville, the Batman Building. Google Maps states that this section of Fire Tower Road is up to 10.9 degrees, but another website, GPS Visualizer, suggests only 8.1 degrees, dramatic difference. Using the eye test, I think East Hillview Drive is definitely steeper than this. Yeah, it's steep, all right, but it's no East Hillview. That's 9.4 degrees. This is probably about 8 degrees, a little steeper in here. At the top of the mountain, Fire Tower Road reaches 2,077 feet above sea level. A great place to put TV towers and cell phone towers. You know, I got mixed feelings about this one. It doesn't feel steeper than East Hillview, and it doesn't feel steeper than Hillview either. But it is beautiful out here. It does a great view, and it does feel steep for sure. But I don't know. I don't know if it feels steeper. Maybe because it's just hilly all around. Whereas, like, up on East Hillview, it's flat and then goes straight up the hill. So who knows? But there was one more place I needed to check while I was here. One section of Gunter Hollow Road that might be as steep as advertised. Oh my gosh! There's a steep drop off on the left, and this hill is like really, really steep.